Pavlova is an elegant showstopper dessert that's surprisingly easy to make. Start with 4 large egg whites at room temperature, add in half a teaspoon of cream of tartar and a pinch of salt. Then whisk on low speed until frothy. Once frothy, begin adding 225 grams of powdered sugar, 1 spoonful at a time. Don't rush this step. Slow addition helps the sugar dissolve better. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk until glossy, stiff peaks. You'll know it's ready when the peaks stand firm without dropping. Sift in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and gently fold it through. Spoon the meringue onto a parchment paper and shape it into a disc, leaving a shallow well in the center for toppings. Place it in a preheated oven at 150 Celsius, then immediately lower the heat to 120 Celsius. Bake for 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes until it's dry, crisp and slightly cream colored. Once it's done, turn off the oven and let it cool inside the oven for 3 hours. When the pavlova is cooled, gently peel it off the parchment, top it with whipped cream and finish it with your choice of fresh fruit. I used mangoes, but berries or figs work beautifully too. And there you have it, a light, crisp pavlova with a soft, marshmallowy center topped with cream and fresh fruit, a dessert that's as stunning as it is delicious.